In front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change size of your icons on this smartphone. First of all, just hold your device's display and click on this little icon at the bottom right corner of it. Then select More and click on Icon Size. Finally, swipe left or right in order to adjust it, and when you're ready, click on the back button twice and click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!